Welcome to Kintsugi Trading. Today we're going to set up the session breakout strategy. As always, we start by clicking the settings, heading over to properties, and changing those inputs so that our strategy tester looks normal. Once we have that in, we jump to inputs and we look at the main component of this strategy, the filter type. The filter type we select determines how the code looks at price in the range session to place trades in the trade session. Once we have our filter type selected, we can manipulate where we want the range session to be and where we want our trades to place in the trade session. Once we have those inputs set, we can start playing around with the other inputs, keeping an eye on the profit factor, percent profitable, and total closed trades. Once we have everything where we want it, we click the replay button and head into the replay session to see how the trade held up. It looks like we jumped from a 4.3 profit factor down to a 1.3, so we pull back up the settings while in replay and change some things, see if we can get that profit factor higher. Once we get everything looking good in the replay session, we will exit out of that, come back to the current time frame, make sure everything still looks good, and if it does, we'll want to save it as an indicator. We're using a fix pip stop loss strategy, so we'll need to remember that when we set alerts. We'll save it as an indicator. I like to name a sequential number, the forex currency pair, the time frame we're trading, the strategy we're using, and the stop strategy we selected. Copy all that so we can use it to name our alert. Check remember symbol, remember interval, click save, click alert from the top bar, select the strategy as the condition, alert function calls only because we're using a fixed stop loss strategy, paste the same name we named our indicator and click create, and there it is.